this rain is coming from a sprinkler. So everything is very, very simple yet very effective. And we have complete control over this weather. We can have it be dark, scary, dramatic, something to this effect. Or we can take it back a notch. We can have it be light, subtle, romantic even. But sometimes if you do let this go on too long, something else will definitely happen. That was Flash Flood, everyone. Now this was the first attraction that we had here on the Universal Studios tour. It made its debut in 1968. And don't worry,